Welcome one and all. In continuation of the electrophilic substitution reaction, I am concentrating on halogenation reaction in this video. Halogenation is nothing but an electrophilic substitution reaction taking place in benzene. So the general reaction is here: benzene on chlorination using ferric chloride, chlorobenzene is resulted followed by HCl. Similarly, in bromination type with ferric bromide, bromobenzene is resulted. Whereas in the case of our iodination, such a type of things is not possible, provided the reaction is taking place not with the halogen carriers. So here ferric chloride and ferric bromide, like that, these are called as an halogen carriers or like our catalyst. So in the case of iodine, this particular reaction is reversible due to the iodination takes place formation of the iodobenzene. So that to avoid the vigorous reactions or other things, we need to do a reaction with our oxidizing agent, which is nothing but our nitric acid. So the initial reactions Hi with nitric acid will form a NO, H2O and 3I2. So this is the general reaction for the formation, provided all in these cases the fluorination of arenes is a vigorous one, so that this methodology for the preparation of fluorobenzene is rarely used by this method due to our vigorousness of the reaction. So that general trend about the halogenations means we need to focus only chlorination or bromination, not with iodination or our fluorination reactions. So that generally in any textbooks, the halogenations means of our electrophilic substitution reactions, either chlorination or bromination is only used. So because of the trend what I have mentioned you here. As usual, the chlorination or nitration or sulfonation, like our electrophilic substitution reactions, is taking place in the our three steps. So I am mentioning about the general reaction here. So I am focusing on this particular chlorination type of the reaction in this video. Okay. So the general reaction with our benzene with chlorination will result into the chlorobenzene here. The step 1 involves the generation of our electrophile. So using our chlorine plus ferric chloride act as a halogen carrier or catalyst here. So the formation of the base FeCl4 minus and Cl plus. Cl plus is nothing but our electrophile or chloronium ion. So now this chloronium ion is attacking the benzene as a step 2. So in the step 2, once the chloronium ion is attacking here by forming our canonical structure of our resonance stabilized of our arenaceous ion here. So like how we have formed, see, we need to focus, since it is an electrophilic substitution reaction, we need to remember that the positive charge is encircled towards the benzene ring. So this is called our electrophilic substitution. In the case of nucleophilic substitution means, instead of the positive charge, negative charge will encircle the benzene ring. So now here our electrophilic substitution reactions and formation of the arenaceous ion here. So as usual, once the arenaceous ion is formed, already we know the history of the arenaceous ion. Initial stages, the benzene is aromatic in nature. Upon the chlorination, it forms like this, the arenaceous ion lost its aromatic nature. So to retain or regain its aromatic nature, he need to look into the base, any Lewis base. Here the halogen carrier on this reaction to form a chlorophyll along with our base here. that is our FeCl4 minus. So on the FeCl4 minus here, that will attract or abstract the proton. So already we know the role of base. Always base is to abstract the proton, that is our main aim. So that FeCl4 minus is come over here to abstract the proton present here. So once the deprotonation takes place, what will happen? The electrons will come back to here to make a delocalized pi electrons. So 6 pi molecular orbitals are retained by the benzene along with the substituted product will result into the substituted product, like which is nothing but our electrophilic substituted product is nothing but our chlorobenzene. And once it is taking place our proton here, that will be retained as HCl and FeCl3. Now the halogen carrier is regenerated in the step 3 of the reaction. So this is the simple idea and simple concept of our halogenation reaction. So I think this is very easy one, easy to remember the 3 steps of the reactions followed by how the mechanism is taking place in the halogenation reaction. Okay, in our next video, I need to focus the sulfonation reactions with our detailed mechanisms on that in the next video. Thank you.